Hey everyone, this is Tim from OBS Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a live sub counter on your live stream using OBS. And this is actually really easy to do. So you can see on my screen, it says 461,003 people are subscribed to my channel. Now, to do this, it's actually really easy. So find the correct scene and then go to sources. And we want to add a browser source. Then we want to name this. So let's do live sub count, and then go to OK. Now we need to find a URL. And we need to go to Google for this. So this is how I did it. I just went to google.com and typed in subscribe count. And I went to this website. It's livecounts.io. So let's go to this one and then just type in a channel. Let's do your six gaming. Press enter. All right, let's go to this and copy the URL on top now. Right click on it, go to copy, and the live sub count should be here on the bottom. So doesn't look like it's loading anything, so I can try a different channel. If not, let's just go back to this and copy and paste this into here. Control V is the shortcut. And you can see my websites on here are my website for that page. Let's do a different one since there is nothing popping up for that one. So let's go back to Brave browser and type in a different YouTube channel. So let's go back and see if I can get something to pop up. So let's go to Your Six Studios and see if that is displaying an actual sub count. So this one is, so I'm going to copy it over on the top, minimize this and go back over here. Control V. Let me just get rid of everything. Good. Press enter. And this is what it looks like now. 461,000. So how did I go from that to this where I can actually see it? Well, this is easy to do. So let's select this browser source. Now on our keyboard, hold down Alt and then go to the red side here and you can drag this down. So hold down Alt and you can drag this down. Hold down Alt on this side, drag it to the middle, go up, and then go to the right. And boom. All right, so I have a giant black square around all the numbers now. How do I get rid of that? Well, go back over to the sources, right click on it, and then go to filters. Then go to the plus icon on the bottom, and then add a color key. And name it whatever you want. But we want to add pretty much a black color key. So let's go to custom colors and go to color key color and go to select and do something very similar to whatever the black outline is or the black background for that thing is. So it's kind of like this one. So let's go to OK and close, and you can see it cut it out. So I can move over other things and it's still displaying there. Now let's go back to filters right here, and then we can go to color correction. All right, and then we can make this brighter. So let's do that. We can add some saturation, contrast, and this should pop it out a little bit more. So it looks like the other one. All right, so it should be good right about there. You can do more if you want, then back up. So you can see it's a lot easier to see now. And it's pretty clear, it's not blurry, as you can tell. Good, huh? Then you can put this in the upper right. Now, you might want to add some like graphics to this too, like maybe just text. And you can do that easily. So let's go back over to sources, hit the plus icon, and there should be text GDI plus. Go to OK. Well, you can just type in live sub count text or whatever, subtext. Go to OK. And then you can just add this in, live sub count. And there's going to be more options for you to, like change the font right here on the top, I believe. So select font. A lot of times I just do impact. They allow it. Regular size, strikeout, underline. Okay. And it looks good there, font style. And that's how it looks now. And you can mess around with this a little bit more. And let's see if there's anything else I want to add. I like adding outlines. So I believe you should be able to do the outline color. Yep. And let's just go with a black. Okay. So let's go to OK now. And it looks pretty good. Now you can drag this up above it. And boom. Now you have that on your live stream looking like this. So very easy to add. Just add a filter to customize it a little bit more, and you should be good to go. So if you make a mistake or something, hit Control Z, and that should redo it or undo it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.